Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download Cuphead on PC or laptop. The ways to download Cuphead on PC or laptop, it's a very simple process. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing what you have to do is you need to go ahead and install Steam on your device. So open up a browser, type in steampart.com, and it's going to direct you to the official page. While you're on this page, go ahead and press on install Steam from the top right hand side corner, and then go ahead and press on install Steam. That's for window. When you press on it, it's going to load the exe file, and then you could go ahead and run the installation. When you're done with that procedure, next moving on, you have to go ahead and create your account. And once creating your account, go to stores. As you click on stores, here on the search box, go ahead and look for the game that you wish to install. And then you can go ahead and read all of the information and all that and scroll down a bit and continue the procedure. Now click on add to cart. You could either continue shopping or you could go ahead and press on view my cart. And here it's going to take you to the cart section page. Over here, go ahead and select the particular game that you wish to buy. And when you've done that, you need to go ahead and click on continue to payment. And when you've done that, it's going to direct you to the payment page where you have to go ahead and enter in all of the payment details and all that. And then you'll have successfully purchased the game. After you're done purchasing the game, then you could download it and start creating an account and explore the game. So in this way, you can download and play Cuphead on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.